Hello everyone. In this video, I will be going over the split mask tool to support your segmentation process in Mimics Core. The split mask tool is useful when you have one mask that contains multiple structures, as you can easily split these into separate masks. I'm going to the segment menu and open the split mask tool, and the way this tool works is by marking parts of the structures you want to extract, so a split is generated from there. The first thing you want to do is indicate how many regions you would like to obtain. You can easily add or remove these regions to your own liking. Once you select the amount of regions you need, you can easily change their names so the output is labeled automatically. In this case, I would like to obtain the sacrum, the pelvis, and both left and right femur. Once selected, I can start by marking each region in both 3D and on my 2D slices. Typically, you only have to do one or a couple slices depending on your images and what you're trying to split off. The most important thing here is to focus on the regions where the structures are connected or really close, as the tool uses your markings as well as the image intensity gradients to try to find the boundary between the two structures. As you can see, while I am marking these structures, I have an option to change the diameter of my brush, and I can add or erase markings to one specific region with these two pencil icons. Once that is done, all I need to do is press OK, and as you can see, the software automatically created separate masks for all my regions with limited manual input. I encourage you to give this versatile tool a try, as it can save you a lot of clicks. Thank you for watching,